VirtualStaff.ph is the leading outsourcing platform worldwide, connecting you with skilled home-based virtual staff in the Philippines. With over 1 million talents to choose from, building a world-class team has never been easier. Hiring virtual staff in the Philippines offers several advantages. Save up to 82% on salary costs. Expand your business by hiring skilled staff. Reclaim your time and improve your personal life by delegating tasks to virtual assistants for areas where you lack expertise or simply dislike handling. Entrepreneurs and businesses choose VirtualStaff.ph to find and hire talent for the following reasons: direct communication with Filipino workers, eliminating middlemen. Offering competitive salary rates by contracting workers directly. VirtualStaff.ph offers multiple options when it comes to hiring virtual assistants. You can choose from 3 options. The DIY Unlimited Plan. Take complete control of the hiring process with access to features like AI Talent Match that helps match businesses with top talent using artificial intelligence and machine learning, AI Job Post Enhancer, which uses GPT technology to revamp your job posts to help attract quality talent. Message applicants, post unlimited jobs, and utilize time tracking tools, all while finding the right VA for your needs. The DIY Unlimited Plus plan offers you all the features of the DIY plan along with virtual staff protection. It provides comprehensive legal protections, including enforceable contracts (NDAs), and access to expert legal support, to shield your business from potential risks and uncertainties, ensuring peace of mind and safeguarding your valuable assets. The enterprise solution gives you access to a dedicated client success manager who serves as a single point of contact for all your staffing requirements. The Client Success Manager assists in identifying suitable virtual assistants based on your specific needs, ensuring a seamless recruitment process. This is designed to provide businesses with a comprehensive solution for building and managing a reliable and efficient workforce. From recruitment to HR support, legal protection, compliance, and staff monitoring systems, everything you need is included. From family-owned businesses to some of the world's biggest companies, the enterprise solution has helped build world-class teams in the Philippines while saving thousands, and sometimes millions, in employee costs. Join the thousands of business owners who have already utilized VirtualStaff.ph to find the talent they need and experience what our CEO Michael Brody refers to as the virtual boss lifestyle. Sign up for free today to get a glimpse of what we have to offer.